Welcome back to the Money Mastery course. In today's episode, we're moving from saving into the next big step of financial growth, investing. Investing is the key to growing your money faster than inflation, building wealth, and achieving long-term financial freedom. Many people feel intimidated by investing, thinking it's only for the rich or for financial experts. But the truth is, anyone can start investing, even with small amounts, as long as you understand the basics and follow a plan. First, let's understand what investing really is. Investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time. This could be stocks, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, or even certain digital assets. The goal is to make your money work for you rather than just sitting in a savings account where it loses value over time due to inflation. Before you invest, it's important to have your foundation in place. This means you should already have a budget, a starter emergency fund, and consistent savings habits. Without these, investing can become risky, and you might be forced to sell investments during emergencies at a loss. Think of your emergency fund as a safety net that allows you to invest confidently. Now, let's talk about starting small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many investment platforms allow beginners to start with as little as $10 or $20. The most important thing is consistency. Regular, small investments over time will grow thanks to compound interest, which is earning interest on your interest. Compounding is one of the most powerful tools in building wealth. Next, let's discuss risk and diversification. Every investment comes with risk, the chance that your money could decrease in value temporarily. Diversification is spreading your money across different types of investments so that one loss doesn't wipe out everything. For beginners, this could mean using index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs), which hold a wide range of stocks and reduce risk compared to investing in a single company. Another key principle is long-term thinking. Investing is not about getting rich overnight. The stock market, for example, can fluctuate daily, but historically it grows over the long term. Patience and discipline are essential. Avoid panic selling during short-term drops. Finally, mindset is just as important as strategy. Approach investing with curiosity and learning. Start small, track your progress, and gradually increase your investment knowledge and amounts. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Your action step for this episode is to open a beginner-friendly investment account, research a simple index fund, and start your first small investment. Make it consistent and commit to learning as you grow your portfolio. In the next episode, we'll explore income growth strategies, how to increase your earning power and create multiple streams of income to accelerate your journey toward financial freedom.